So we built this subwoofer enclosure. Got it for like 30 bucks at Home Depot. I'm gonna get the sticker to stay on. Yes, I'm touching it. Yeah, as you can tell, try to copy the high output enclosure. I don't know what tuning frequency is, but it's a little bit kind of weighted to SanDisk. I know you can't hear me again, but oh well. Watch this. So this thing is probably gonna be really loud.
And he is stuck with it. Because he took the DD out, he is now stuck with the Ampere 8.
Bring this back. Oh, let me show you people. When you have... You got the damn light on?
They can see.
You can? Okay. See? Don't go straight through. I'm sure a lot of you people know, but you younger ones... Goddamn kids. I'm joking. Yeah, lift the surround up and, you know, go to town on it. These are some pretty big screws that I chose for the Ampere audio. I forgot what size they are.
Here's the screw itself.
Pretty big. Look at my finger. My funny finger compared to that one. Yeah. And when you get halfway tightened, you can tighten it down like this. It's up to you. I always wait halfway because, you know, you gotta do it in a pattern. You don't over tighten what and nothing, and you just go straight through it like this. Tighten the rest of it. That way it doesn't ruin your surround, make it look pretty. Okay, well yeah, that's it. They can see it, right?
Yes, they can. And just so people know, move the paper real quickly. There's nothing on that side doing it. There's all the port right there.
Probably like, there's probably gonna be so much blah, funny comments like, he's probably like jerking off subwoofer. Okay. Yeah. A lot of gorilla glue. And this is, honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth, this is not really good material to use for a subwoofer enclosure. It's MDF coarse board. It was $4.88 for 6 slabs for a size that we kept. I mean, we cut probably like a good 11 inches off of it.
Sorry about that, people. That was my finger just then. Did not mean to do that.
You had the finger in the way?
For a second there. My mistake. Not the best video, but likewise, it's going to turn out good. We've worked on this for how many hours now?
I don't know.
Probably since about 7, oh no. We've probably worked on this since about...
There were 8 screws here, wasn't there?
Sweetheart, you have one in your hand.
Yes. Missing one more. Okay, see you folks later. Bye-bye.